In this video, I'm going to show you how to run TikTok ads step by step, how you can run TikTok ads for your business, for your clients. Now, if you are ready, make sure you subscribe to this channel, share and like. Open your TikTok ads manager. Now, this is how a TikTok ads manager interface looks like. Now, when running TikTok ads, there are three levels. The first one is the campaign, the second one is the ad group, and the third one is the ad name. Now we are going to start with our campaign. Under campaign, this is whereby you will choose your advertising objective. Depending on the product or service that you're promoting, you will choose the advertising objective that best suits your product or service. If you are promoting products that want awareness, you come for reach. It will show your ad to the maximum number of people. If you're looking for consideration, come to traffic. It will send more people to your website, app, or TikTok shop. If you want video views, you will get more views and engagement for your video ads. If you want community interaction, here you will get more followers on TikTok page visits. Then, if you want conversions, come to app promotion. This one, you will get people to install and use your app. This one is mostly for people who have already created an app and they want to promote it. Then you come to lead generation. You will collect leads for your business on your website, Instaform, TikTok direct messages, and instant message apps. Then if you want sales, this is whereby it will drive sales to a TikTok shop, website, or app. Now, for this purpose of this video, we are going to use sales. And while running for sales, you can decide to drive sales to your website, app, or website and app, depending on your preference or product or service that you're promoting. Now, once we come to sales, we are going to go with the website. Then you scroll down, you come to name your campaign. This is where we are going to name our campaign. Just name ads. Then I will copy it and use it on our ads group. Then when it comes to budget strategy, you can choose to put your budget on the campaign budget or ad group budget level. For this video, we're going to use ad group budget. So just go next. Now, where it's written create split test, this means that you create two campaigns, you run them, then you compare which one is performing better. I hope you understand until that point. Now, if you're following, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Now let's continue. Come there downside and click continue, and we move to our next interface, which is our ad group. Now we'll come here and name our ad group. Just name it the same way we named our campaign, the same way we name our ad group. Then you come to optimization and binding. We are driving traffic to our website, so we'll just leave it at website. Then you come to goals. Do you want conversions, landing page views, and click? For conversion, this means it will show you your ads to the people who are mostly likely to carry out conversions. When it comes to landing page views, we'll deliver your ads to the people most likely to land on your website. And this is what we are looking for. When it comes to clicks, we'll deliver your ads to the people most likely to click on your ad. So we're going to go with landing page views. Then scroll down, we come now to our budget. Under budget, there are two categories. You can decide to go with a daily budget or a lifetime, depending on your budget. Now, the minimum amount of money that you can start with is 750. Now, I'll just insert 1000 Kenya shillings. Then we scroll down, we come to our schedule. You can decide to schedule your ads when you want it to start. But for this one, even if you put your date when you want these ads to start running, once you complete creating your ad will, TikTok will first go and review it. Then once they see it's okay, there is no issue, then it will go live. But if you want to set your ad to run and start maybe after 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days, you can come and set your start date. So let's insert our start date. Go, put it at 1911, set time. What time we're going to leave it at 11:59 a.m. Confirm. Then you come and choose your time zone. For me, I'm in Kenya, so my time zone is in East African time. Come choose your timeline here, depending on the country you are in. Then you can decide to put an end date. When do you want your ads to end? You can come here, then insert which date you want your ad to end. If you want it to end after 1 week, set time. Then you come here and set your time, which time you want it to end. Set the same time, confirm. Then come to now audience targeting. Before we go to audience targeting, there is day parting. This one just leave it at all day. Then now we come to audience targeting, where we'll start with our location. Where do you want to target your audience? For me, I'm in Kenya. Mine, I'll just leave it in Kenya. You can choose depending on the country you are in. Then come to age. The minimum age is between 18 and 25. Here you can choose depending on the product or service that you are promoting. I'll just leave it at 18. Then you can choose language, which language you are using. For me, I'll just leave it at all. Then you can come to audience suggestion. Here for age, you can decide to take a particular age group that you want. Maybe you want 18 to 24, 25 to 35, 35 to 44, but you don't want this 45 to 55 and 55 plus. You can choose depending on the product or service that you're promoting to the specific age group. Then we come to our age, gender. Here is whereby you choose between male and female. This product or service that you're promoting, is it for men or female or both? You choose depending on your preference and the product and service that you're promoting. Then we come to our interests and behavior. For interest and behavior, this means that who are the most likely people to be interested in the product that you are promoting. So if you are doing a travel, just come here and click on travel, choose your preference. If you are promoting food and beverage, business services, beauty and personal care, baby and kids products. Now let's go with travel. Now if you are promoting products or services about travel, now you will come and choose here. Is it hotels and accommodation? Choose tours and attractions, come and choose here. Travel and agency and services, you come and choose here. Then you can come and do purchase intention. You can choose depending on the product or service that you are promoting. I hope you understand until that point. Then you come to placement. For placement, we are targeting people from our TikTok account. So here you can choose. You want people to comment on your ads, allow people to download your ad, or allow people to share your ad. And either choose whichever you want. Whichever you don't want, just switch it off. Then you come there downside and click continue. Now we shall move to our last interface, which is our ads name. Now remember, I told you when running TikTok ads, there are three categories. The first one is campaign, ad group, and then the last one is ad name. Ad name is where you now add your physical products, your images and videos. Now we come and name ours. Here you will name it depending on the product or service that you're promoting. We shall just name it the same way we named our campaign and ad group. Then scroll down, you come to destination. Destination now is where you will insert your website URL. Remember, we are driving our traffic to our website, so you need to have your website and take the URL, come and paste it here. Then you scroll down, you come to creative assets. Here is whereby now you will insert your videos and images. You can decide to go with add existing or create new videos. Add existing means you have connected your TikTok account with the TikTok Ads Manager, and the video or image that you want to promote with, you have already posted it on your TikTok account. So here we'll show you how that works. Come here. Now I'll show you. We'll start with the TikTok posts. Mine have already connected my TikTok Ads Manager and my TikTok account. So when you come to TikTok posts, here you will be shown all your TikTok photos, images, and videos. Now you will choose depending on which one you want to promote the product or service you're pushing. Now, if you have your videos on your PC or laptop, you can come to Creative Library, then you can upload from here. Click on upload, then you can choose which video or image you are promoting. Now for this video, we are going to use TikTok posts. There's a video I had already created. Then you come and there downside, click continue. Now this is the video that you're going to promote with. Then scroll down, you come to product name. Product name means this is where you insert your title. This is what people will read on your ads once they see it. Maybe you have an offer you want to promote. Just write 50% offer. Then come to product image. Here you can add more images, or if you have a logo you want to insert, you can add it there. Selling point, just leave it there. Then you come to call to action. Call to actions means once people see your ads, what action do you want them to take? That is what call to action means. Now, since you are driving our traffic to our website, we'll choose our call to action to visit us, check it out, sign up, learn more. Now here you'll choose depending on the product or service that you promote. Contact us, read more, listen now, no, visit store, yes. You'll choose depending on the product or service that you are promoting. If you want to add music, just come here and switch this on and add music. But for the purpose of this video, we are not going to add any music. Then scroll down, you come to tracking. For tracking, this one TikTok will do it for you. Now, before you click on publish, make sure you have already made your payments. Then, as you can see, my ad there is one error, showing an error. Here is because I've not inserted my URL. Make sure you have already inserted your URL before you click on publish all. Then once you click on publish all, your ads will go for review. TikTok will go and review it. And once they get satisfied with it and see there is no issue with it, then your ads will start to go live. That's how we run TikTok ads on Ads Manager. Now, if you have any question, just put it on the comment section. Where you didn't understand, just comment there and I'll create a video or comment on your question. So, make sure you like this video and share it for more people to learn.